Hi, this is Olga, loud and clear, your voice in logistics, and this is Friday. And today I would like to talk about blockbusters in pharma, therapies that generate over $1 billion in annual sales. But a blockbuster is much more than a big seller. It's often the product or portfolio that drives growth, funds innovation, and shapes company long-term strategy. And right now, the industry is in a very interesting place because while new potential blockbusters are entering the market, some of the biggest revenue-generating assets in pharma are also approaching the patent cliff. A patent cliff happens when a therapy loses exclusivity and starts facing generic or biosimilar competition. And when that happens, revenue can decline very quickly. That is why pharma companies are always in a race. Launch the next blockbuster before the current one starts to fall. And we can already see the dynamic playing out. Looking at FDA approvals in 2025, several newly approved therapies are being discussed as having strong blockbuster potential. Companies like J&J continue to strengthen their oncology and specialty portfolios. Vertex Pharmaceutical is drawing attention with innovation in pain management, an area with major unmet needs and strong commercial potential. And companies such as Otsuka Pharmaceutical are also bringing forward therapies in specialty disease areas that could become very important commercial assets. At the same time, some of the industry's biggest players are facing significant patent cliff exposure. Merck & Co. is one of the most closely watched because of the scale of its oncology business. Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer are also approaching important period of exclusivity risk. And J&J appears on both sides of the story, with both growth opportunities and future challenges. And for us in pharma logistics, this matters just as much because every new blockbuster or every product approaching loss of exclusivity has a direct impact on the supply chain. From forecasting and lane design to capacity planning, cold chain strategy, packaging, inventory positioning, and risk management, to name a few. In other words, behind every blockbuster is not only great science and commercial success, but also a logistics network ready to deliver it safely, compliantly, and at scale. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.